Let's be honest, dealing with the aftermath of a car accident is never fun. You've got the damage, the paperwork, the stress. It can feel like a total nightmare. But what if it didn't have to be? We're going to break down how you can make the whole insurance claim process, well, genuinely easy.
So boom, it happened. You've been in an accident. And in that moment, 100 questions just start racing through your mind. Once you know everyone's safe, that huge question hits you, now what? The next steps can feel incredibly confusing and just overwhelming. And you know what? That feeling is totally normal. Suddenly you're faced with assessing the damage, trying to decipher these dense insurance forms, and finding a repair shop you can actually trust. All of this while you've lost your main way of getting around and are stuck on the phone for what feels like forever. It's a lot to handle.
But here's where you start to take back control. The path forward begins with one key thing: financial clarity. Understanding what it's going to cost to fix your vehicle is the first and most powerful step you can take to move past the stress and start working toward a real solution. And you often don't have to wait around. Some services can get you a completely free, no-strings-attached estimate in 24 hours or less. That speed is so crucial because it immediately removes one of the biggest unknowns from the whole equation.
And getting that estimate is usually super simple. You might be able to fill out a quick form online right from your couch. Or hey, if you prefer to do things in person, you can just stop by a shop, like this one, for example, at 1705 Dixie Highway in Pompano Beach. The whole goal is to give you easy options with zero hassle.
Okay, now for the next step. And this is often the biggest headache of them all: dealing with the insurance company. You shouldn't have to become an expert in insurance lingo overnight. And that's exactly where having an expert partner in your corner can make a huge difference. This is where a concept like an insurance partnership comes into play. It's basically a service where seasoned pros who already have close relationships with the insurance companies step in to file and expedite your entire claim for you. They handle the filing, the follow-ups, all of it.
I mean, just look at the side-by-side here. When you handle it alone, you're the one waiting on hold, you're the one managing the adjusters. With an expert partner, they do all that legwork behind the scenes. They speed up the process and work to make sure your repairs actually get approved. The difference in stress and time is just night and day. So, this is a crucial point. While the experts are handling all that insurance stuff, what are you supposed to do? Your life doesn't just hit the pause button. You still have work, you still have errands, you still have commitments. Your routine shouldn't have to stop just because your car did. And it doesn't have to. Some of the best services will actually provide you with a free loaner car while your vehicle's being repaired. And we're not talking about a rental that you have to pay for. This is a complimentary vehicle to keep you on the road and on schedule. All right, the final step. And this is all about peace of mind. You see, getting your car back is one thing, but getting it back repaired safely and correctly, well, that's everything. And this is all built on transparency and trust. Transparency is just key. You should get an estimated repair time right at the beginning, so there's no guessing or wondering. You know exactly when to expect your car back, which helps you plan your life and gets rid of that awful feeling of uncertainty. Now, to guarantee quality, a good shop will have a really rigorous internal check before they hand you back the keys. First, the vehicle is meticulously inspected. Second, all the repairs are tested to make sure they're working perfectly. And third, the job is formally signed off on. The principle here is simple. An internal sign-off process shouldn't be a suggestion. It has to be a rule. It's a formal guarantee that every single repair meets the highest standards for quality and, most importantly, for safety. So let's just recap that journey. It all starts with a fast, free estimate to give you clarity. Then, you let the experts take over the entire insurance claim for you. Meanwhile, you keep your life moving with a free loaner car, and you drive away with total confidence in a quality guaranteed repair. It takes you from feeling totally overwhelmed to being back on the road. So, if you're looking for a service that can really handle the hard part for you, this is the kind of contact info you'd look for. You could give them a call for that free estimate, shoot them an email, or just visit the shop directly. And that brings us to our final thoughts. With a process this streamlined and this supportive, it really makes you ask the question, why should a car problem ever have to stop your life?